Hi, happy project community. Today I'm going to show you how you register to an event on Happy Project. Let's say somebody has just created an event and send you a link, and then they say register to this event. So the first thing you have to do to register to an event, you come to this link, you click login or register. The difference between login and register means login is already when you are an existing user, and register is when you have to create a brand new account. So once it takes you to my account page, you have three options here. So I just told you login is already when you already have a username and then a password. Register is when you have to create a brand new one. And then this one is also register. So we have two registering here and only one login. So the easiest way to register on APIE project is through the social account. So my Facebook I'm already logging with my Facebook. I can just come and click it here and it's going to log me with my Facebook account. So that's the easiest way because it's going to bypass the email verification and all that. So it's now doing the process of registering me using my Facebook account. And then when it's over, it's going to automatically log me in. And then I can register to that event. See, I'm automatically logged in. So then I can go back to that event and just register. So I can click the ticket, RSVP or buy a ticket. So now let's log out. I'm going to show you the second way to register using the username and the password that you have to provide. That's the second way. That one is it's going to be a little bit time consuming because it will ask you to go and register your email. And then after you register your email, then you can come back and log in. Whereas the social media account automatically log you in. So, and then here I'm going to create like a username and then a password. Let's call this one APIE. And then put a username, let's say, what username am I going to use here? Let's say social email social at apieproject.com, and then I create my own password. So when it's too weak, it will not let you, so you have to create a strong password. Let me create something here that is a little bit strong. So it's medium is going to let you in. So then you register. Like I say, registering using your own username and then the password is really take some time because it brings you to a process where you have to go to your email and register it before it log you in. So that's the difference between the social media and the register with your own username and password. So exactly. So thank you for your registration. Your account has been activated. Before you can log in, please check your email. And if I go to my email, let me refresh this. Surely enough, this is the email. Please activate your account. So, and I have to click this link. And that is how I'm going to get verified. And then once I'm verified, then I can log in using my username and then the password. And then I can register to the event. Okay. Now, I verified my email and everything. Back to the event page. Surely enough, I'm logged in now and then I can register using my username and the password. Let's test this. Let me log out and then I'm going to use my username and then the password that I just created. And then I'm just going to test the account that I just created to see if I can now log in normally. So Now let's test the email that we just created. It was social project, then the password, and then I log in. We verify the email, and so it should let us in. See, surely enough, it works. So now we're able to register with the newly created account. So on this page, there are a lot of things that you have to know. So if you want to log out, you can just come here and you are going to be logged out. So once you have start having things here, you can see your addresses here, you can see your download here, you can see all your orders here, you can get your dashboard, here you can get your account detail, and here you can log out. So that is what you have under my account. So let's say I want to log out, I can just come here and log out. And I'm going to be logged out of the my account is going to be logged out. So I'm so happy for you to have listened to this tutorial. That's the like I indicated. That's the two-step on how to create an account on APIE project. Either you use the social media, either you use the social media here, or you register using your own username, password, like a username and then a password and stuff. Then you can come and use your username and then the password here. To register with your social media email, you are going to have an option to change your email. So if you change your email, then you can, using your social media, when you get those email for new account, then you can come here and using that your social media email and the newly created password. That's the only option you can use the login using your social media. You have to create a password. And then once you create that password, then you can use your social media email and then the password here. But if you haven't created a password, it means everything you come in to log in, you have to use that section. So I hope I made that clear. And if you have any other question, maybe understanding what I just said and stuff, you can always shoot us an email. You come here, contact us, where you can ask us any question and so related to the issue you may having